Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, what we have, guys, here specifically, this is a 2017 Ford F-150 that we'll demonstrate on. You guys have two fuse boxes on your truck, but the fuse box that we will need is the one that's located under the hood, right behind the car battery on the left side. When you open the hood, that's your fuse box right here. When you open that fuse box, you're going to end up with a fuse box that looks just like that. You will be on this side on the front of the truck. This is towards the windshield facing the fuse box. Now, before we start, guys, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see you have different kinds of fuses. I can see at least 3 different kinds of fuses and relays. Those could be really expensive at the parts store, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, because sometimes if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, those specific fuses and relays could be impossible to find. So the fuse, guys, that we'll need to check is known as fuse number 5. So if you come in that fuse panel right here, okay, the left row on the left side, the first fuse is fuse number 5. This is the rear window defroster fuse. That's the one that you will need to check, guys, specifically. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.